Yesterday on 3rd of October, Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i nabangete a function at Lanet. A function here alikomere vijana from various parts of Nakuru County. A vijana hivyo Matiang'i nanya tuko baumera in one of the resorts around that region. Can we think Matiang'i na rororo ngatebanga either way njomo kusi pakambo tinde tukomanya group get invited. It's unfortunate in Amanyet because even on twanga te kutungo cheterebo na Nakuru gitoro. We also avail ourselves because we support our candidate. But now tintaviri lakini finally monda nga fununu ngaiko kirena ikororo nganyora an opportunity ngakwana mutu ya Matiang'i timeje clip egingwo bwata rakikora nyol somewhere na bogo ntomera nenjenda yarora kai. But bono in this entire event Nanya are very keen to observe how things are. There are so many weaknesses in Matiang'i that one I'll be able to share with whoever might find or are relevant. But politically speaking, there are things I was very happy about. Number one, Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i make a decision yokomere vijana. That was okay. He needs to always meet youths and interact with them because no sabari ya chakirite se vijana. Since ever kuna achitega Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i can close to the youths. But he's having meetings, but no youths being involved. The other thing I noted, it is that the youths were very happy to be around him. They were engaging him, which is very important. And I think that is how Matiang'i went to living. They have available out from the castle out to the ground, how many foot soldiers chair. That one has to be very clear. The thing I need to correct about the yesterday's event, regardless of the case, Matiang'i utanava iko yovoka. Ndio tuaraba kusi around him. That's the only way Arab is safe. There's no tribalism. It's all about loyalty. It's very important. Toko tu arakiro muntu around you nichibe saganeti. You need to have one to go on no muntu ito. Kena ko kwa nali na tebetenga. Kuruse to kusi. Muntu tali mo sacha mpaka tara anyata iko koragasi. Ngama watenga Matiang'i no muntu okoregas. Igam pi nemo sacha ogocha kuvuli chukura kusi Kenyaga. Igo muntu toko bane president ya nyene mategas. That is what you call owning a candidate. We are just sending him off to go and deliver for the country. So, incorporated. Whoever it may concern, or else which very disappointed. Secondly, during that event, Matiang'i gave a very nice speech, but there was no clear message coming out still. But what I can tell, it is that the action, the decision to engage the youth is very important. That one we want to admit. Now, Matiang'i akatwala that function, ikaera, akatwala press conference, akakora. Ladies and gentlemen, ekintu kyakone tuase a function ye vijana kyankunito yo ekemonique. A confirmation Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i atwetenga a party akochiova nero president Jubilee. Ikoba no kiro mugusia sare whether it is a wrong or bad decision for Matiang'i. Gusiara we don't have an option. Paka 20p to Jubilee. 20p paka to Jubilee. So 20p Jubilee tole to so Matiang'i. Kago ikasa achenji kiama ale teke ngao na 20p to move kuchio. So that is basically what is happening right now. Kiama kina confirm thing and Jubilee. And mbala bawate anga ine tu tabet announced. What is there? It is a process. Once Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i is okay, he's officially, he has been a Jubilee member. He was at the NDC. They will organize elections. I've elected the official party leader of that party. Annual deputy, annual secretary general, and some other changes will take place. And that is how the party is going to be handed over to Dr. Kiongo Fred Matiang'i. That one, hakuna pingamizi. So things are coming. Very soon, I had the promise that he's going to have such a kind of a function where he's going to officially take over. Muna a party leader Jubilee. Something again happened on that particular event. After Matiang'i got the event here, amatanga aliko kenda aso muchukoro nyecha asire I think alingata. Amatanga yo ngorengo Justice David Maraga. For the first time, these two people are meeting in one podium. Koruge sava declare nango chukuboli baro president. Unless bomira nirase, ntamaiti. But this was the first time bomira nite. Ngava very keen. Read the clerk. Actually, I decided because one kinali ngali amatango. Ani function ni vijana. Mungwano yomo, a very nice guy who michoma. Akambokoli and the mukua and toka na matanga mde uchiara nyombangi nguchokora. Tokende tukagenda mpaka tukaikoro. I was the first to arrive. Egali twali netene yangi ntani wiko. Bono ngapa keen nganyora nice picture kuliki kire ndomuna yokolekana. Maraga no hali ngetinje tukumukwani because anyoro wakiruro ene bodyguard, so I had to go slow. But the first thing na roje kaya Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i gete, the mood changed. Mama started, wow, Matiang'i amefika, which was okay. But it did not greet Maraga. Tachi tukumukwani. Probably that the information inga Maraga na arogose akamuzireli because Maraga is a very humble guy. We all know that. Asache daga ikaranza ngale akikuru ese family. Tachi they pull that attention. Kiruki ya ngiali ngangene tent ya VIP moon. Ngiali ngi towards father stand. Ikaranza tu very humble and relaxed. Ndo maite Maraga mugako ito they retired. Bono. Aina ikaranza. But bono ngairanga Maraga ya na mukwani kira nyole an opportunity. An opportunity came. Boss people want to speech. Maraga was Arama akarangelu. Arama akakwana akaleta Maraga. So Arama akaba the MC at that time. Kere Maraga acha akakwana akaka siasa ya akakora. In fact, Maraga ta recognize Matiang'i's presence. Nga Dr. Fred Okengo Matiang'i, former minister. Apada. Maraga kumbe namba ito kuanga abantu. Maraga tabu recognize it. So akakora speech haya akakora njenga kanga lende ka akolire ngwana kuwa ni Matiang'i ana wikaraza. Maraga akagenda akakaraza. So that was the clear picture. Up to that point abantu abavere ni antagonists. Haya wanenga kia Matiang'i gaika. Aramera kabeke chumbi akamuruka the 6th. Akaruka Maraga presidential candidate. Akaruka Matiang'i the 6th. So Matiang'i agacha. Kera Matiang'i ka akavutua likonda akakwana. But the best thing he did, he recognized Justice David Kennedy Maraga's presence. That was a tick. Maraga was a bit more political, but Matiang'i was a bit cool. Tachiti ukwa na ki siasa mono. Though lende siasa na nyekuwa na tenerenga. So nevertheless, it was a nice occasion. Calm, seginja alengo. I don't know whether they had shook after the function because I was slightly further from where they were. But I hope mbakuwa na neti. But up to that point, from this function, there's something that came to my mind. Why is it that people are not for Maraga to become the president from the Gusii region? And that's what I want to look at here. But before I do so, watch a video ya net Mukwa Times. This is a small channel that is growing. Kindly subscribe because that's how it gets to expand. Secondly, my number is always here. I'm actually beginning conversations and I'll be coming live here, bringing guests. Some of you people who are watching me here, so, nakresimi, ndaibi not interested. Go send text, ndaibi not interested. I'll save your number, never schedule, so that tuwa ragemu niliti kulia, tuwa chamo, tuwa gamba, tuwa share siasa, live on YouTube. Nimbe ngolete viongozi, nimbe ngolete wananchi kawaida. Topics, hao. So that tuwa nyora ku-engage. Kindly so wanja kwenu, irachinga kichino, ngakresimi, ndai. Walimuraga ni usapotie channel yane. Modi toto makende namba yaneno irega erotiva the problem na leo to enable so that nangu chuchanga conversations yecho yanyoranga ninde capable of managing everything very well. Let me dive into this topic here, that much wasting of time. Why not Maraga? I don't want to talk about Matiang'i. Kero mundana maite keralenga interior, keralenga education, keralenga ICT. I don't want to talk about it. Let me talk about why not Maraga. Maraga kena mota kereta ngote to stop corruption in this country. But go the entirely Justice David Kennedy Maraga no alenge judiciary. In fact, in judiciary, corruption they have fighted in Honyotra and then he fought corruption and it ended there. The corrupt judges are still there. There's no judge who was arrested from Maraga's initiatives. Let's have a way to correct some serious scrutiny of these judges. So if he did not fight corruption in his docket as a president of the judiciary, what guarantee I got to hang a president for Kenya go to fight the real corruption? So that one, I put it out. Secondly, for the first time now Maraga na maisha naked close. Mwako lio gotire. Akili nero nale soba lakini yogotire. He needs to retire in a more dignified way. Not this one ya siasa kuchukorango na Matiang'i. Especially Umugusi. I don't feel that is okay. So he needs to relax and retire. Alikoba mukaka ange namna ta Nyamira abe governor. But also considering Nyamira nitaga irabone kijana bagaka babero mono, it is a big challenge. So ladies and gentlemen, Maraga, I feel first of all policies chair, I don't think they can work now that he's going to be the president. Why? The problem that delivered when he was in judiciary. In Dr. King of Matiang'i, he had his flaws, but the best thing is that we remember most of the things he did that are good for this country. And he has the energy, he has the experience, you're running a government, which is important, that can make him actually a better president of this country than the ones we have right now. Igole there say in a nutshell. Maraga, so those are the two reasons I got that he's not really able to do that. But becoming the president is possible if people decide to vote for him. But I'm thinking strongly that Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i has a better command in the Gusii region. Kuhucha kasiasa mpaka nyole command from your area. And Matiang'i nero nyubwate. Maraga alikuwa to hand over the powers to him. That one could have been better. Not the powers as such. Hand over the man to ate usieye na utigire tata nje tinte tiko koramanga na mangi. Alafu ere atenere Gusii ate benge campaign ya Matiang'i osipiku sinje ngotendera. Era baby yesana. Maraga support Matiang'i. Tonyo ole Gusii ere locked. That would be a good picture to create for this country. For Gusii actually. Eko talking about Gusii 20 united. My suggestion is abaka ababere Maraga na Matiang'i, those Mars, they should come together. Vaso asigete rumuga, vaso akeme babate na magoko. Batabenga tuiguana nire. Na batatenga bataiguana. Batatenga tuiguana nire. According to vyabo like you think tuiguana nire. But kolende what we know very well, Dr. Kengo Fred Matiang'i pakabetebe. Kakobetebe ka ukora. Later on we are going to have a runoff. Anyambaruchi kuiguana na opposition. Maraga nyakala series na era wana acha support Matiang'i se runoff. Takobabia. Twabwire kirogeke. So this time around aba Gusii ndo mutaibe te abana ba minuchinka chino yana register as voters. Tevi vijana tutabachukura ku Gusii go register as a voter. Tevi babo mino ntabwati twanda baba jiandikishe. Isonya ntabwati ajiandikishe. Litukulie kura te aba Gusii togerenga this is our responsibility yoko best of Matiang'i leadership. Toboke maambi twandumagire chukura. Simple as that. Aba iko kira the presidential candidate they wake up ndungi gotole biamna sana so kwa channel yana keep following. My name is Abel Mukwa.